Credit analysis. Okay.
Under finance statement, there is one topic given credit analysis.
Okay. Just give me a second. Okay, credit analysis is to find out credit worthiness of your customer. That is credit analysis. Credit worthy not only of your customer, credit worthiness of any borrower. Are you with me? So अगर आपको एक नए कस्टमर को माल सप्लाई करनी है and the customer is asking you, give me on credit of 2 months. You have no idea as to what this customer is, things like that. So will you just give him the credit of 2 months? You will not. So what you will do, you will ascertain by different means and find out कि ये customer credit worthy है कि नहीं. So that is your credit analysis. So that means you will look at everything. You will look at his financial statement, all the ratios that we have discussed. You will try and apply. इसकी profitability कैसी है, इसका liquidity ratio कैसा है, इसकी solvency कैसी है. Are you there with me? So उसका leverage कितना है. So please pay attention. How do you find out the credit worthiness? If the leverage ratio, debt equity ratio of a borrower is high, good credit worthiness or bad credit worthiness? Bad, right? The liquidity ratio is low, good or bad?
Is low.
Liquidity ratio of your prospective customer is low. Good sign or bad sign?
Right side.
Bad sign. Bad sign. Please remember, is bad sign. वो कस्टमर का है इसलिए bad sign. और अपना लो है तो
Good.
good sign. Do you understand this? This is called financial analysis. I'm so glad that all of you have understood just like this. This is what, because the purpose is changing completely. नहीं तो कई बार लोग मुझे बोले सर क्या बोल रहे हैं आप अभी थोड़ी देर पहले था कि वो गुड साइन बोल रहे बैड साइन but I am so glad that all of you just give okay. Does it answer your question? Okay, good. Let's come to the evaluation, application, approaches and methodology. अभी इसमें आगे बढ़ने से पहले हमें सबसे पहले थोड़ा समझना होगा कि what is valuation. I had given you a little bit of idea when I started in the morning. And we said that what is valuation? Valuation का simple सा मतलब ये है कि किसी चीज की कीमत आंकना. That is valuation. Is that all? Or there is something much more than that actually? And I want all of you to add something. तो मैं सबसे पूछना चाहूँगा एक एक करके कि आपकी valuation की क्या understanding है? Does it really matter? अगर आपको कोई और ने कहा है वही आपको रिपीट करना है आप कर सकते हैं. बट मैं चाहूंगा कि आप आपका ओरिजिनल डेफिनेशन दें. एंड प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग यू दिस बिकॉज इफ यू गिव मी योर डेफिनेशन ऑफ वैल्यूएशन आई एम एक्टिवेटिंग समथिंग हियर इन योर सिस्टम. मैं उसको थोड़ा हिलाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ एंड मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो पूरी तरह से कनेक्ट हो जाए कि एक बार आपकी वैल्यूएशन की अंडरस्टैंडिंग समझ में होगी तो फिर क्या होता है बाकी के सारे चीज आपको कटाक 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 करके पकड़ने को आती हैं. राइट. तो मैं चाहूंगा कि all of you give me the definition starting from you. What is and you can be as brief as possible because we have a limitation of time. So you can be as brief as possible, but try to be as precise and as accurate as you can. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर आपके दिमाग में वैल्यूएशन क्या है ये चीज बैठ गई ना बराबर तरीके से तो बाकी का सारा प्रोसेस बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. फिर वो मेथोडोलॉजी क्या है, वो अप्रोच क्या है, वो स्टैंडर्ड क्या है, वो प्रीमाइस क्या है, वो खटा 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 करके आपके दिमाग में बैठे शुरू हो जाएंगे. क्या
Valuation means what kind of value I can perceive for any of the things, right? And it may differ depending on the situation and purpose.
per person? Okay, good. What is the worth of a particular object, company, whatever it is? At a fair price. Okay. So deciding the fair price is the valuation. Very good.
what the benefit it gives to the holder of that share.
Fantastic, right? Very good. I think that's it makes a lot of sense, right? So ultimately मैं कैसे डिसाइड करूंगा वैल्यू ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट? मैं डिसाइड करूंगा बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट इज माय अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि इसका मुझे कितना बेनिफिट होने वाला है। पर सीरीज बात है, तो अगर मैं किसी प्रोडक्ट के लिए 50,000 रुपए देने को तैयार हूँ, इसका मतलब प्लीज पे अटेंशन, इसका मतलब सबकॉन्शियसली माय माइंड हैज डिसाइडेड कि अगर ये चीज मैं खरीदूंगा तो मुझे कम से कम 50,000 का फायदा होने वाला है। वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस।
Fair price for an and you spend for the purpose of that.
Okay.
And the return and you get.
Okay, very good. So fair price and the return that I'm going to get, yes, of course, very nice.
Future benefit and wealth.
Future benefit and
Wealth.
wealth. Okay, very good.
Using that asset, what multiplier I will get in my pockets?
Using that asset, what multiplier you will or benefit you will get in your pocket? Very nice.
Value is, the value of an asset or a liability measured in estimate based on certain methodologies and principles, arriving at a fair value.
Okay, arriving at a fair value. Okay, good, very good.
Deriving the future benefits of anything.
Deriving the future benefits of. Okay, future benefits of anything. Okay, good.
Giving monetary measure to something which is not readily available based on the future of future use of that.
Future use. Okay, very nice, man.
कितना इन्वेस्ट किया और कितना उसमें से रिटर्न आना।
कितना इन्वेस्ट किया और उसमें से कितना रिटर्न आने वाला है? ओके, वेरी नाइस, ओके, वेरी गुड.
So valuation is a evaluation of the any asset. Based on that, we can arrive of the future benefit of that asset for the purpose.
Okay, very good.
Estimation of object.
Estimation of
Object value.
object. Okay. Now, please remember, friends. First of all, a big round of applause for all of you. Very, very good explanation. Very good. जोर से ताली बजाओ, आपके लिए बजाओ। अपने लिए जब बजाओ तो कम से कम जी जान से बजाओ ना। हालांकि दूसरों के लिए भी जी जान से बजाओ, और अपने लिए तो पक्का जी जान से बजाओ। You know, remember, all that you have said is absolutely right, no doubt about it. But more than that, what is valuation? Valuation is a fantastic tool for decision making. Yes or no? Valuation एक जबरदस्त tool है. Valuation is a prime driver behind any decision that you take. तो आप दुनिया में, अपनी जिंदगी में, बिजनेस में जो भी डिसीजन लेते हो, remember, you always do those decisions by doing valuation. And please pay attention. That valuation at times can be at the conscious level. That valuation at times can be subconscious level. And I'll give you an example. लेकिन जो भी आप डिसीजन लोगे, कोई भी डिसीजन आप लाइफ में लोगे, you will always do the valuation. आपके दिमाग में आप बिना वैल्यूएशन के डिसीजन लेने वाले नहीं हैं। और पक्का मान के चलिए कि अगर आप कोई डिसीजन अपनी लाइफ में बिना वैल्यूएशन के लेते हैं, you are bound to be wrong. और अगर सही होगे तो maybe you are lucky. So let me give you an example कि कैसे conscious and subconscious comes in. I receive a call from Tata Motors, from the HR head. He wants me to conduct a 2 days training program for them. He asks me, what will be your professional fees for conducting this program of 2 days? I have my own parameters based on which I tell him, if the program is of 1 day, I'm going to charge you 1.5 lakh. If the program is for 2 days, I'm going to charge you 2.5 lakh. He says, okay, we are prepared to pay you this amount, and I say yes, I'm confirming these 2 dates for you. Have I done the evaluation? Everyone, have I done the evaluation?
Yes.
Of course, I have done the evaluation. Have I done it at the conscious level or the subconscious level?
Conscious.
At the conscious level. Then if I do this program, I'm going to get a value of 2.5 lakh rupees, and therefore I'm taking a decision to do the program for Tata Motors. I receive another call from the Institute of Cost Accountants or Chartered Accountants or Company Secretaries inviting me for the National Convention of theirs. And I have to deliver a session of 1.5 hours on motivation. And I know they are my institute, they are my alma mater, so I don't expect to receive any money from them, and they are not going to pay me also. But these conferences would be attended by 1,500 people, and I say, alright, I'm confirming that I would be available and taking this session of 1.5 hours. Am I getting any money? I'm not getting any money. But have I done the evaluation? I have done the evaluation. What valuation I have done? In my mind I have thought that I will have an opportunity of interacting with 1,500 fellow professionals and put across to them my thoughts about life and list management. So this is the evaluation which I have done at the subconscious level. So when I say subconscious level, that means I am not attaching any tangible value, but I am definitely attaching its intangible value. So friends, this is the evaluation, and to sum it up, what is valuation? Valuation is much more than a mere valuation exercise. तो भूल के भी मत सोचिए कि जो आप एक्सेल की शीट में करते हैं वो वैल्यूएशन है, वो वैल्यूएशन का सपोर्ट है। वो जब आप एक्सेल शीट में जब करेंगे ना, कैलकुलेट करेंगे, you will work out the future cash flows, you will do the net present value, find out the so that is only a support. So valuation is not merely valuation exercise. Valuation is to assess the value in every situation and then take the decision accordingly. That is valuation. It is an art and science of finding a reference point for taking a decision. So अगर Maruti comes and asks me for a valuation, and I do the valuation of whatever they ask me for, and I say the value is 500 crore. Am I giving them a price? Am I telling them, no, this is the price at which you must do the deal? No, I am just giving them a reference point. So valuation is only a tool to find out a reference point. At what price this asset is sold at board is between two of them. But I am just giving, so valuation is finding out the reference point. Otherwise, where do you start from? It is in the center of every business decision, organic as well as inorganic. It is the main business decision driver. It is the prime tool for any business decision making. Valuation is to assign a value to a situation for arriving at a decision. And as I said earlier, this assignment of value to any situation may be at conscious level or it may be at subconscious level. Now that, friend, is the valuation. And this is what you have to constantly keep in your mind as the future values. Now the question is, ये valuation करें कैसे? So what is the